previous problems. Important previous problems మనం చేస్తే ఫస్ట్ one 135 degrees equal to dash. First of all, a 2 pi by 4, b pi by 4, c pi by 6, d pi by 2. But we know first of all pi equal to 180 degrees. Pi equal to 180 degrees. Next, pi by 2 equal to 90 degrees. Pi by 4 equal to 45 degrees. Pi by 3 equal to 60 degrees. Pi by 6 equal to 30 degrees. We know that. So 135 convert 135 into any angle converted to pi angle, that means circular measure pi by 180, pi by 180 multiplication. Angle from circular angle degrees, angle changes will be changed by circular measure, that is we will multiply pi by 180. So first of all cancellation, 15 9 ja 135, 15 1 ja 15, remaining 3, 15 2 ja 30, and also cancellation, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 3 into pi 3 pi by 4. So 3 pi by 4, that is first of all first 3 pi by 4, this is 3 pi by 4. So one is correct. So degrees changes from degrees to circular measure. First of all we write 135 angle into pi by 180. Any problem degrees from changes to circular measure, multiply with pi by 180. Cancellation, 15 9 ja 135, 15 1 ja 15, 18 minus 15 remaining 3, 3 0 mean 30, 15 2 ja 30. After cancellation with 3, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 3 into pi 3 pi by 4. So one is correct. This problem is 2005 previous. Next, second one, cos 130 degrees, cos 130 degrees, cos 130 degrees equal to dash. First a cos 50, b cos 230, c cos 140, d none. Which of the answer? Cos 130 change, cos 130 we know already, 90 180 270 360. The 130 is the right of sum of two values, that means 90 plus or 180 minus, any one. Cos of 180 minus 30 right also, 180 minus 30 150, or 180 minus 50 130, 180 minus 50 130 we will get. So cos 180 change, yes or no? We will discuss previous class. Cos 180 no change. No change mean cos 50. 180 minus which coordinate? Second coordinate. Second 180 minus cos minus. So that is minus cos 50, minus cos 50. Here also cos minus 50, cos 130 equal to this. Another method, cos 130 also write cos of 90 plus 50, 40, 90 minus 90 40. So cos of 90 change, cos change sin 40, sin 40. 90 plus means second coordinate, second cos minus. So minus 50 also right, minus sin 40 is also right. So cos 150 equal to cos 130 equal to dash. First option minus cos 50, cos 230, cos 140 none. Cos 130, cos 130 రైట్, cos ఆఫ్ 180 మైనస్ 50. 180లో మనం 50 మనం మైనస్ చేస్తే 130 ఒక 50 180 నో ప్రాబ్లం. cos ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ చేంజ్ cos ఆఫ్ 180 నో చేంజ్, cos same, angle remaining angle 50. 180 minus second coordinate cos will be changed minus. Another method, cos of 130 cos of 90 plus 40. 90 change, cos will be changed sin, remaining angle 40. 90 plus second coordinate cos minus, so minus sin 40 cos 40. So here answer minus cos 50. So cos 50 minus sin 40 not given, so it is not. So we'll answer minus cos 50. That is tan 27 degrees. Tan 27 degrees equal to dash. First option tan 187 B, tan 197, third tan 207, last one tan 217. This problem is given 2010. First, tan 27. Tan 27 degrees will be right. Tan 27 degrees. So we write tan of tan 27 degrees. We will get how we will get 180 plus 27 tan 27 degrees. Tan 180 no change. Tan 180 no change, tan 27 degrees. Okay, 180 no change, tan 180 plus third coordinate also we change, symbol also not change, so tan 27. So this value is tan 207. Tan 207 is also equal to tan 27. So tan 27 degrees is equal to tan 207. So C is right. Once again, tan 27 is 180. Tan 180 mean tan third coordinate will be 180 plus third one, or 270 minus also, but 270 not here. So here tan 180 plus 27, tan 180 plus 27, tan 207. Once again check, tan 180 no change, tan 27 degrees. 180 plus mean third coordinate symbol also not change, tan 27. So tan 27 is equal to tan 207. So here answer is C is correct. Next, fourth one. Sin 2010. Sin 2010 degrees is equal to dash. First option A, 1/2 B, 2 cot 12 C, minus root 3/2 D, minus 1/2. This question already given 2000. This problem is also 2010 also. Answer sin 2010 any greater than value of 360. We will division of 360 division. 360 already 360 6 60 6 36 6 3 18 2 1 6. So 2 1 greater than, but 360 5 50 5 6 30 5 3 15 15 18. So 500 5 6 30 5 1800. So 5 1800 degrees. 0 1 10 minus 2 2 10. So it is also equal to sine 210 degrees, sine 210 degrees. So any greater than of 360 degrees that value is divisible by 360. That is the very easy method to find out greater than any angle of the greater than 360 degrees. So first of all, division 360. How many times? 6 times more than 5 times is enough. 5 times 5 0 0 5 6 are 30, 5 3 are 15, 18, 1800. Remaining balance 210. So the remainder is sine of 210 degrees equal. So 210 degrees is change sine of 180 plus 30, 180 plus 30, 180 plus 30. Sum of are difference of any two angles. Sine 180 no change, already know that. Sine 30, 180 plus means third coordinate sign will be minus. So minus sin 30 value already know, minus 1 by 2. So D is the correct answer. So any greater than value of 360 degrees is divisible 360. The remainder is the equal to the value of the given value. So sin 210 will be right. Sum or difference of any two values 180 plus 30, very easy. 180 లో no change, sin 30. 180 plus third coordinate will be sin minus. So minus sin 30 already know, minus 1 by 2. That's all. Cos 35 minus sin 55 degrees. First option 0, second option 1, third option 2, fourth D option 3. This problem is given also 2010. So cos 35 minus sin 55 degrees. First of all, both are equal or not? Because of cos will be changed sin will be changed cos, anyone as your like. First of all, cos 35 mean write 90 minus 55. 90 minus 55. Because of 55, 35, 90, no problem. So 90 minus 35 also 35. Minus sin 55 degrees. After sin will be 90 will be changed cos sin 55. 90 minus first coordinate all plus. So symbol leave it, minus sin 55. Minus sin 55. Plus sin 55 minus sin 55 equal to 0. So our answer is 0. First A answer is right. Very shortcut method. Cos 35 minus sin 55. These are change of one value to another value. Because of sin will be changed cos will be changed sin, or tan will be changed cot will be changed tan. Cosecant secant cosecant, secant cosecant, any one. These values are given, any value. Sum of value of change of two values, answer will be changed 0. 35 55, 5 5 10 90. So 90 will be change of any values, sin cos or tan cot given, or cosecant secant given, anyone. That values of angle values are equal to 90. The answer is will be 0. That is the shortcut method. Very simple method. Sin cos 35 minus sin 55. Any one change of value, sin cos will given, tan cot will given, cosecant secant will given. But sum of values is 90. Sum of values 90 or 270. 90 or 270. That answer will be is 0. That answer is 0. That is change of values. No, 90 minus that is only 90. Very easy. Because of 270 change, symbols also change symbol. So cos 35 minus sin 55. 90 minus values. 90 minus 55 is equal to 55. Both are equal, 0. Next, sixth one. secant 46 degrees minus cosecant 44. Cosecant 44 degrees. Already told 46 44 is a sum of values of 90 degrees. So minus answer will be 0. Check up. First of all, A answer 2 secant 1, 2 secant 1. B answer 2 cosecant 1, 2 cosecant 1. Third answer 1. Fourth answer 0. Answer. Already told sum of values sum of angles of values 46 and 44. 46 and 44. 6 4 10 no 4 4 9 90. Okay, these values are sum of values of 90. So answer is 90. Now check up. Secant 46 very big number. 90 minus 44. No, 90 minus 44 46. Next cosecant 44. Next 90 will be changed as secant cosecant 44 minus cosecant 44. Next both are plus and minus equal to 0. So secant cosecant already cos sin secant cosecant tan cot also sum of values 90. So very shortcut method, answer will be 0. So 0 is the answer. Without solving the problem we will get answer. So sum of any two values equal to 90 and we will get answer 0 plus or minus. Tan చెప్పండి పెట్టండి మేడం. Tan 57 degrees minus cot 33 degrees. Cot 33 degrees. First one option A 2 tan 12. 2 tan 12. Second option 2 cot 12. 2 cot 12. Third option 1. Fourth option 0. Already told tan cot also big number. Tan 57 will be change tan 90 minus same value 33 minus cot 33 degrees. 90 will be changed tan cot 33. 90 minus first coordinate all plus cot 33 minus cot 33. Same values opposite symbols will get 0. So 0 is the answer. Very shortcut method. Already told tan cot will be changed cosecant secant sin cos plus sum of value 90. You will get 0 answer. That is the shortcut method. This one also 2010. Next 8th one very important. Note this problem. Cos 201 degrees, cos 202 degrees, cos 203 degrees and so on, cos 300 and so on, cos 300 degrees equal to dash. First option A pi by 2. Second option 3 pi by 2. Third option pi by 4. Fourth option 0. This one also given 2010 problem. Answer cos 201 don't know, cos 202, cos 203 and so on. Here also number cos 270 also given and so on, cos 299 after cos 300 will get. So 201, 202, 203 and so on, middle 270, after 271, 272 and so on, 299 after 300. So multiplication cos 201, cos 202 degrees, cos 203 degrees and so on. We know cos 270, cos 270 value 0. After we know that cos 299, cos 300. In multiplication 0, 0 into anything equal to 0. So answer is D. Cos 270 find out. Cos 270. Cos 270 minus 0. We write sum of any values. 270 change cos sin. Sin 0. 270 minus mean third coordinate, third tan plus, but cos here minus, sin 0 also 0, minus 0 or plus 0, no change. So we'll get answer 0. This type 270 find out. So cos 270 right, 270 minus 0 no problem. Cos 270 change, cos change sin angle 0. So 270 minus third coordinate cos will be changed minus symbol, minus. We know that already sin 0 0. So 0 no value, plus or minus equal to 0. So the answer is D is correct. Similar method. Tan 1 very important. Note this problem. Tan 2 degrees, tan 3 degrees, and so on. Tan 89 degrees. Tan 89 degrees. Number of times this problem is given. And also 2011. This problem is given already. 2011 number of times also given. Option. First option A 1. Second option B 1 by 2. Third option 1 by 3. Fourth option 1 by 4. So tan 1 degree don't know, tan 2 degrees also don't know, tan 3 degrees don't know, and so on. Middle tan 45 degrees. After tan 46 don't know, and so on, tan 89 degrees. Stop. First of all, no change of 1 degree, tan 2 degrees, tan 3 degrees, and so. We already know that tan 45 value 1, already told. Next tan 46, 46 and so on. Tan 89 will be right, 90 minus 1, 90 minus 1, 90 minus 1, 89, tan 89. So, and also write tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree, tan 3 degree. In multiplication 1 leave it. Tan 46, 46 also write 90 minus 44, 90 minus right 44, 90 minus 44, 46, and so big number will be changed, small number convert into 90 minus also. Next tan 90 minus 1, here also write already 946, right, 90 minus 44. Next tan 90 change, tan change cot 44. Next tan and so on, tan will be changed cot 1, cot 44. Next tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree, tan 3 degree, and so on. Cot mean 1 by tan, cot mean 1 by tan 44, and so on. Cot 1 by tan 1. Tan 1 numerator and denominator cancel, and also here also tan 45 will come, tan 44 will. So all values are cancelled, we will get answer 1. We will get answer 1. So answer is 1. A is correct. A is correct. Once again, tan 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, and so on, 45, 46, and so on, tan 89. 1, 2, 3, and so on. Tan 45 we know already 1. Tan 46 right, 90 minus 44. After and so on, tan 89 will be right, 90 minus 1. 1, 2, 3 no change, very small numbers. Big number tan 90, 90 change cot 44. 90 minus first coordinate all plus, so cot 44, and so on. Here tan 90, 90 change cot 1, 90 minus first coordinate cot 1. So 1, 2, 3 is same, right? Cot 44, cot is the reciprocal of tan. 1 by tan 44, so on. Cot 1, 1 by tan 1. So tan 44 will become tan 44 here, tan 1, tan 1, tan 2, tan 2, tan 3, tan 3, and so on. All values are cancellation. Cancellation, remaining value is 1. So answer is A is correct. Another, sin 35 degrees cos 35 sin 47 cos 47 cos 90 equal to dash. This problem is also given 2011. Options, first option A, 1 B minus 1 C 0 D sin 45. Answer, sin 35 don't know value of sin 35. Cos 35 also same, sin 47 also same, cos 47 also same, but cos 90 we know already, cos 90 value 0. That is 0 in multiplication, 0 into anything equal to 0. So answer is C is correct. So sin 35 don't know, write the same. Cos 35 don't know, same, right? Sin 45 don't know, same, right? Cos 47 also same, right? But we know already this value cos 90 told. Cos 90 value 0. Cos 90 0. So in multiplication 0 fundamental, 0 into anything value 0. So answer is C correct. Okay, madam.